Myself, Sunil Kumar Kichi, Assistant Professor, Engineering College Mir. Today I teach process and threads. Threads is the segment of process. Means a process can be have multiple threads, and these multiple threads are contained within a process. Process means a program is an execution, where threads means a segment of a process. A process is not lightweight, where threads and lightweight. A process takes less to terminate. Process takes more time for creation, where threads takes less time for a creation. This is process and threads. This is the most frequently asked multiple in Java. Both these terms are related to each other. Process and threads are independent sequence of executions. The main difference is threads of the same process run in shared memory space, while process run in separate memory space. Threads versus process. A program A program in execution is often referred to process. A thread is a subset of a process. Thread is a subset of a process. A process consists of multiple threads. A process consists of a multiple threads. A thread is a small part of the process that can execute concurrently with other parts of the process. A process is a sometimes referred to a task. Thread is often referred a lightweight process. फिर डाटा टेक्स्ट है. डाटा टेक्स्ट में अपाचे कैसंड्रा डाटा मॉडल्स इन सिंपल स्टेप्स. A process has its own address space. A threads use the process space and share with the other threads of that process. First one process items and second one is threads item. Process items में address space, global variables of open files, child process, pending alarms, signals and signal handlers, अकाउंटिंग इंफॉर्मेशन. और थ्रेड्स में क्या प्रोग्राम होता है, काउंटर, रजिस्टर, स्टेक और स्टेट. ए थ्रेड्स कैन communicate with other threads of the same process directly by using method like wait, notify all. A process can communicate with other process by using interprocess communications. New threads are easily created. However, the creation of new process require duplication of the parent process. Threads have control over the other threads of the same process. A process does not have control over the sibling process. It has control over its child process only. This is with threads and process. Today teach process and threads is means completely. meaningful process and threads. Thanks and useful.